Hi, I'm Dave Biros. I'm going to tell you about ABB Advanced Services. So, once upon a time, ABB had process engineers who travel all over the world helping customers identify issues with their equipment and processes using specialized tools. Well, those customers wanted more and more of that, and so in order to meet that customer demand, we decided to take those tools and put it into the ServicePort service delivery platform. We also took the process behind that service, which was diagnose, implement, and sustain, diagnose the issues, implement fixes to the equipment or processes that improve the performance, and then do something that could sustain that performance. We put that process also into the ServicePort service delivery platform. And this is all executed for the customer within the ServicePort Explorer. What you see here are view, scan, and track views of this diagnose, implement, and sustain process. We want to be able to view the data, we want to be able to scan the data on a regular basis, and we want to be able to track specific thresholds to KPIs that concern us, specific pieces of equipment or certain thresholds that we don't want to get beyond, and have that notify us or the customer. So what you see here is a scan view from one of our popular channels, the cybersecurity channel or service. What you have here are some of the things that we're tracking, the KPIs, the key performance indicators we're tracking, procedures and protocols. We even Pareto the KPIs, so we can see here at the top of this chart the KPIs that might be indicating that those need to be more closely looked at. We have this kind of view for all of our channels. If we go back to the main screen, let me talk about our channels. We also have specific services for ABB control systems. We have the Harmony control system and the System 800XA control system, and we'll have more control systems in the future. There's also specific processes that we want to look after. For instance, control loops. Control loops are in any control system. We want to be able to diagnose, implement, and sustain fixes for all the control loops so we can improve the control goodness and make sure that those control loops continue to perform effectively for the customer over a long period of time. We have other specific industry equipment kinds of services, one for mine hoist, the hoist performance channel, and also for quality control systems, which is a system that's specific for the pulp and paper industry. For that, we have control utilization, sensor stability, and something called VPA channel, which is variable partition analysis. I won't bore you with the rest of the details on that. So what we've done here with the ServicePort is we've packaged services that used to be done by highly experienced ABB individuals flying all over the world. We've put those tools into one central service delivery platform, the ServicePort, that can reside in a customer site, as you see here, and can be accessed by an ABB Advanced Services engineer, like you see here, on the site, who can access these things that are already gathering data and very quickly find out what issues might be to improve customer equipment and process performance. Or this ABB Advanced Services engineer could also access this remotely through ABB's remote access platform and perform the same services for the customer. So that's the ABB ServicePort service delivery platform.